Hey my loves, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's first time here, hi, this is Oma. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be reacting to Hurricane and then Golan Eurovision semi-final. Guys, our girl is in the semi-final, guys. Oh my goodness, I just don't know. I reacted to her rehearsals and yeah, she's going to kill it. She's going to eat. She's going to eat. I'm telling you guys. So guys, without any further ado, let's just dive right into the video of today. So guys, let's watch. Israel. Oh, guys, she can bend like that. Yo.
Write her on my symphony, play with me, look into my eyes and see. People walk away but never say goodbye. Someone told me
guys, this song gets me tearing up.
Everything is black and white. Who's the fool who told you boys don't cry? Hours and hours and powers. Life is no game, but it's ours. Why? The time goes by. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Take it all and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane.
Oh guys.
Living in a fantasy, ecstasy. Everything is meant to be. We shall pass, but love will never die. Hours and hours and hours. Life is no game, but it's ours. Why? The time goes by. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Take it all and leave the world behind. Baby, promise.
There is something about Eden, right? And this song is a hit, guys. It gets me emotional. It gives me goosebumps. It makes me feel like, yo, guys. Whenever I listen to Hurricane, I know the song word to word to tell you how I love the song. And she killed it here. Her performance is top notch. Oh my goodness, guys, this is amazing. I must say, this is so great. And guys, let's just continue watching.
This hurricane. Woo! 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 This hurricane. Woo!
Oh, she's amazing.
לא צריך מילים גדולות, רק תפילות, תפילה קשה לראות. תמיד אתה משאיר לי אור אחד כאן. Thank you!
Thank you, Eden. You're amazing. Oh my goodness, guys. She's amazing. Guys, she's really amazing. I love the way she sings. I love the way, I don't know, she's just so great, guys. If it's your first time here, please click the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And there's any other video about Eden Glow and you'd like me to react on, comment in the comment section. And guys, she's our winner. We just said it. She's our winner. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.